Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a Motorola device to CUBOT King Kong 7. By opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use this app, you need to set it up. I will start with Motorola. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on CUBOT, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. And then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. Now, to get rid of personalization pop-up, tap on History at the bottom of both devices. And decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience by clicking on one of the available options. Wherever you decided, click on Close this window. And then select Receive next to History at the bottom of CUBOT. When you're ready, click on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Also on Motorola, you can finally use all of those categories available at the top and select multiple files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow. Then click on the switcher or tap on Allow in the pop-up. I will go with just a couple of files, like those trip pictures, and then select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Following that, click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on King Kong 7. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, to connect, tap on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!